Digley is arriving at Construction HQ. The gang are about to find out what they're building today. Wow! Is that a racetrack? Now this is going to be fun. They are placing the winner's podium onto the course. What was that? Now it's complete. Mr. Rubble wants them to test out the course. Daisy is so excited. She's very fast. On your marks, get set, go! They're approaching the first corner and Daisy's in the lead. She's zooming ahead. Watch out, Mr. Rubble. She flies across the ramp. Careful, Bump. This ramp isn't as easy for everyone else. Digley is a bit slower because he's got one track smaller than the other. Daisy doesn't think this race is fair. She's spotted some bricks left over from the build. Aha! Looks like she's got an idea. Daisy wants Digley to feel more included. Bump and Daisy have attached some bricks to their tracks to make the race more fun. Now Digley doesn't have to feel left out. Go, go, go! Off they go around the corner. Wow! Everyone is equally fast. They're going up the ramp. Everyone is having so much fun. Around the bend. I wonder who's going to win. They're coming up to the finish line and Bump is the winner! Hooray! What a brilliant race! Well done, everyone. That was great! Races are much more exciting when everyone is included.